So yeah, we got to go over and drop the Tremec box off over at the strip of glitter tent. They got little Hot Wheels going on tonight. Check it out. They're racing all those Hot Wheels. That's pretty cool, huh? Pace is probably one of my favorite tracks for being, you know, a small 8-mile track. Nothing fancy, but that's the best part. It's still a fast track. It's still wonderful. Yo, we're gonna park right here. Got a little trash can over here. We'll be all right.
Dude, that's a cool, fun, ratty box.
Can't go nowhere.
Yo, what up, dude?
Some stick shift shit with stick shift friends.
Here to race.
Cody Hartman and Zach Carroll in the house. Got. What'd you do to my shit?
You call me Zach Carroll. You call me Zach Carroll and shut off.
No, I'm just kidding. Is Zach here?
I don't know.
No. Not yet, anyways.
I didn't see him.
I did call you fucking Zach. Why'd I call you Zach Carroll?
I don't know. Jim Amano.
I know, Jim. What the fuck? Nah.
Well,
That's going in the beginning.
Joe ain't. Hey.
What? Joe what?
No Sambita.
No Sambita tonight.
I don't know. He's
He had some shit going on.
Yeah, he's got some family stuff he said going on.
Oh,
Hey,
what
there
did
ain't
I
no
tell you?
back checking now.
You're 0-3 against me because I beat you in paper scissors rocks.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Counting paper, scissors,
0-3.
rocks, motherfucker. It's a different night tonight.
We're beating all the asses tonight.
Woo!
All of them.
That's funny. See, I'll take my L's, bro.
Hey, you know what? It's all part of the. It's all part.
I wouldn't be here if that wasn't at risk. You know what I mean?
Any chance. Any
This
chance.
is all about making passes in a car and having a good time.
Look, just like I said in the last video, stick shift cars are like riding a fucking horse without a saddle. You smack that ass, and you hope you get the best ride of your life. That's pretty much.
And these cars have been smacked a lot.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Can I put you on camera? Yeah, okay. What's up, bro?
How are you?
All right. How's everything looking here? Steve. Make sure you guys go like his channel up, Stripper Glitter. Always gives some of the best content for no prep stuff. Hell yeah. So, got to sign up.
I'll get it.
I don't think we have our golf cart. You can take that orange one right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's the one we've been whipping around. So.
Okay, okay. Don't be making her mad, or her mad. They will drop kick you, bro. Race Life Boat is in the house. What's up, bro? How are you doing? How's everything going here?
It's gonna be slick and fast.
Slick and fast?
They washed it down with the teller. Yeah, there's like nothing on it.
Sweet.
All that bracket prep's gone. Yep.
This is called Now Prep. This is what it's all about.
Yeah, it's gonna be fast. Probably after the first round.
Are you gonna go to Lucky's next week?
I didn't know there was Lucky's next week. Fancy me there.
No, I mean I was just gonna go.
You racing it?
I like that shit.
Yeah.
Not really. My car goes backwards when I'm at the line. I'm like, okay, we got a little hill here. This face should look familiar. Was you was competing in the Firecracker 500?
I was. It was a good time.
It's a great time.
Even though I finished last, but you
No,
know,
you didn't finish last.
I did finish last.
You still competed.
I still competed. That's all I can say.
That's cool.
Yep.
So this is Chris Lane. If you guys don't know who he is, he's the fist pumper over here for the flagger for pacemakers.
Yep.
You guys have seen him on my channel. I've seen him in my draggies every time I post a draggie. So super appreciate what the hell he does and everything he supports with the no prep crowd. You know what I mean? So
Yep.
yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of footage today here at the draggie. So you'll be seeing him do what he does.
I won't flagging today.
Huh?
I'm not flagging today.
Why aren't you flagging?
Because I wasn't supposed to be here. It's gonna be instant green today.
Oh,
On the tree.
shut the front door.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like stoplight shit.
Yes.
I love instinct.
Yes.
That's just that sucks because
Yeah. It's not.
I get pumped up. I'm like, you have to have that trademark.
I know, right?
You gotta have that trademark.
Yep.
I have such a great time when I come. This is why I'm always like, if you guys don't understand what no prep's all about, I guess you're just gonna have to experience it.
Yes,
They'll
sir.
drag and wash the track. That thing will be stickier than radial prep by 300 feet in a couple rounds. So
Yep.
I just wanted to see. I want you guys to see Chris Lane. You guys get a chance to check him out. He's going to be at Uncaged. So be looking for those videos from all the content creators at Uncaged. It's going to be fucking fire. Dude, that thing's going to be fire.
Yes, sir.
I
I'm
can't
excited.
wait for that. That's a big event for me. It's probably the biggest one for me. So
Yep.
I got to come correct.
Yep. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, man. This is why your son lifts weights right here. Ain't that right, buddy? Yeah. So we're gonna get as much footage as we can, but you know, once again, you guys gotta check this out. That's really cool. We'll run over here and throw this up for the visualization. All right, so we got the car out. We're gonna take it over, check it over real quick, check my shock settings, check my tire pressures or whatever. Just go through our normal maintenance of the no prep and racing and stuff. So we're gonna go up here to the we're gonna go up here to the driver's meeting, get everything settled in, and you probably just see nothing but racing from here on out. Talk about it when we get home.
Go stand in the corner. Don't say rain. Don't say rain. You should know better than that. Don't say rain. It's a racetrack. You don't ever say the word. Even if it is actively raining, you don't say rain.
Big tall guy in the white shirt. Don't know what he drives. Just trying to figure out.
Where's Rob?
Over there. I got it.
Okay, so first round, I gotta race Mike with the animal car. Check the oil and check all, but go through my normal procedures. The belt pulls up, does pretty good for me. All right, so we got the first round monkey off our back with the with Mike Price's car. Mike Price has got the real fast stick shift Beretta. So went A to B, got a little squirrely in third. You see right there in the draggy. I got my man Miguel Rivera and Binks here representing with us tonight. So got about 1,500 on the line. We got 5 cars left. We was really hoping for 10 or 15, 20 cars, but this is the way it is.
I was gonna say it's a decent pop for the little.
Well, there was 600 on the top, well 500 plus 1. So I got Billy next round in the white cracker. You know, that car's no joke, so we got to go A to B and make our pass. We've changed some settings. We're not going to change the tune. I think the car's fine, but we do have some maintenance. I mean, we nipped the gasket and we ate a belt, so we got to get this thing fixed. So it wasn't really that bad of a pass. the track's starting to go away. It's getting close to midnight and curfew for the track's coming up. So we didn't get much footage in between rounds. So we got to buy into the finals with Chris Markham with the Turbo LS stick shift car. So let's get right into the footage. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all you got for the video. I got my man McGower here. I appreciate you coming down to watch us race.
Always.
It's always nice to have friends that'll, you know, come down and help crew some stuff up. Big shout out to Corey Binks too. He has already went home. Got a couple hours. It's like midnight. We're gonna go watch the rest of the small tire finals, and then we're gonna hit the road. Got about a 3-hour trip home. We won't be home till like 3 in the morning or so. But this is life, man. This is hood rat shit.
With the hood rat friends.
With my hood rat friends. So she did good tonight. She's hurt. Ate a belt, nipped a gasket, still running around. So you know what they say, something to be said about if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. Check that join button. I'll see you guys in the next video.